How would you know if you've got dry eyes? Well, first of all, it's incredibly common. Here in the UK, about 1/3 of the adult UK population have got it. And because of the damage that dry eyes can cause, I'm going to give you the top 5 red flags to look out for. Warning sign number 1 is excessive tearing. Believe it or not, watery eyes can actually be a sign of dry eye syndrome. It's all about oil and water. Now, you have lots of vital oil glands in your eyelids called meibomian glands. The oil coats your watery tears to prevent evaporation, like putting cling film to keep your food fresh. Now, if you aren't making enough oil or the oil isn't the right quality, the watery layer of your tears just evaporates too quickly, creating dry spots. In response, your lacrimal glands, which are over here, pump out lots of extra tears to compensate. The result of that is watery eyes. Warning sign number 2 is redness and irritation. Chronic redness is a common sign of dry eyes. Well, why would that be? Well, it's because the underlying foundation of dry eyes is inflammation. And the first line of treatment now isn't adding teardrops like we did years ago. It's giving anti-inflammatory drops or tablets, which will quickly reduce the redness. Warning sign number 3 is itching. Now, this might surprise you because most people think of hay fever or allergy when you get itchy eyes, but actually it's one of the most common symptoms of dry eyes, happening in about 1 in 5 patients. Now, warning sign number 4 is blurry vision, especially after some prolonged screen time. Using screens for hours a day can double your chance of getting dry eyes. Your cornea here at the front of the eye acts as a powerful lens to bend and focus light onto your retina, a process that's called refraction. But the point at which light bends is actually on the tear layer, as light rays pass from the air into the watery coating of your eyes. And if that tear layer isn't smooth and stable, you no longer have a beautifully polished lens surface, and the result of that is blurred vision, especially intermittent blurring that improves when you take a blink. This symptom is much more common with screen use because we blink 3 to 5 times less often on our devices. Warning sign number 5 is persistent dryness or grittiness. Did you know there are more nerves per square millimeter in your cornea than anywhere else in the human body? A nerve irritation is a cornerstone of dry eyes, leading to gritty or sandy feelings, or like this says something in your eyes. If your eyes often feel dry or gritty or like there's sand in them, this could be a sign of dry eye syndrome.